How's everyone doing today? Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today's video is going to be about manifesting your dreams. Like a lot of us started our businesses, entrepreneurs, you just got to keep going. You're doing it because you have a goal set in your mind. You have a dream that you want to achieve. And so, for instance, today, one of my dreams is to own an Audi RS6 Avant. I look at them every day. I have them as my screensavers on my phone, my computer. I have pictures. I have Hot Wheels. That way I can see it every single day and remind myself this is one of the goals that I am going to achieve. And as I was on the computer doing some work today, I saw pop up right up the street from my house, the dealership as in 2023 Audi RS6 Avant for sale. So we are headed over to the dealership to go look at it. Are we going to drive home with it today? Probably not. But that's part of manifesting the dream. We're going to go there. We're going to look at it. We're going to touch it. We're just going to see ourselves driving this car and driving away with this car. And that's part of the goal. That's part of just got to keep going, man. So let's go check it out, and we'll see what happens. Man, so hey, I get you on. So we're at Elite Motorsports right now. We're at Elite Motorsports. We come to check out the Audi. My man here asked if we want the keys. He'll open it up for us. Absolutely. We're going to check it out right now. Manifesting. We're putting it together. So thanks to the guys at Elite Motorsports. They got some beautiful stuff over here. We got the Porsche 911. We got the Carrera. And then right here, we got the Audi. Here she is. Here she is. Look at this. Look at this. So what we're doing right now is we're manifesting. We're manifesting. In our mind, we see this car. And the guys over here have been really cool. So we'll get back to you in just a second. Well, that was it. That was it. We went, checked it out, touched it, sat in it. Just talked to the guys. I'd like to thank guys at Elite Motorsports over there in Austin, Texas. They are absolutely super cool dudes. They're just, I just see myself driving that car. I already own it. It's already in my head. I already own it. If you have your dream, you just got to keep going for it. Keep going for it. Just don't get deterred. If you start feeling doubt or anything like that, you got to see it. You got to touch it. You got to just keep going. In my head, I already own that car. I'm just trying to think of where I'm going to put it. Where do I park it next to? You know. So we just hit 500 subscribers. I'd like to thank everybody for that. But just keep going for your goals and shooting for your dreams, man. That's really all there is. Sorry, this video was a little uneventful. Not a whole lot of window cleaning here, but just some dream manifesting. So that's pretty much what we're doing. All right, appreciate you watching. Later.